Hi, welcome to Nutnose, the online marketplace for nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. So you're looking at the offers page, but you don't see exactly what you're looking for. That's where the inquiry tool comes in. The inquiry tool is a free and anonymous way to receive quotes from sellers worldwide. Let's say you're looking for 3 tons of organic white chia, DDP Frankfurt. To get started, click on Make an Inquiry. You'll find it at the top of our platform. Select the product you're in the market for and follow through the steps. Put in your comments and send the inquiry on its way. Within hours, you'll receive offers from sellers worldwide, and business is only a couple of clicks away. Nutnose, making trade happen.